In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the sidebar and header on Google Sites. This is a valuable skill if you're looking to enhance the navigation and appearance of your site. First, we'll start by navigating to the Pages section of your Google Sites. Once you're logged into your account and on your main site editing screen, you'll notice a panel on the right-hand side. This is where you can manage the various pages of your site. Click on the Pages tab, which will show you a list of all the pages currently on your site. Next, to add a new page, look for the plus icon at the bottom right of this panel. Clicking this icon allows you to create a brand new page that can be customized and added to your site's navigation. A dialog box will appear where you can name your new page. Choose a name that reflects the content you'll be adding to make it easier for visitors to navigate. If you need to rename an existing page, you can easily do this by double-clicking on the page name in the list. This action will open an editable text box, allowing you to change the name of the page. Renaming pages helps keep your site organized and ensures that your visitors have a clear understanding of where to find specific content. Now let's shift focus to editing the text of the header itself. Headers are crucial as they represent the identity of your page. Simply click on the header area and you'll see that the text becomes editable. You can modify this text to better represent the page or the type of content that will follow. This small change can greatly influence how visitors perceive your page. If you hover over the header area, a small toolbar will appear. With this, you can access more customization options, including changing the background image or color. Personalizing this aspect of your site can significantly enhance its visual appeal, making it more engaging for your audience. Finally, to further customize your header, you have the option to upload an image. Simply click on the image icon, which will prompt you to upload a picture from your computer. Choose an image that aligns with your site's theme and message. An appropriate image not only brightens up the page, but also strengthens brand identity for returning visitors. That's all for today's tutorial on editing the sidebar and header in Google Sites. With these steps, you can make your site more visually appealing and easier to navigate, providing a better experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching and happy editing.